For PXE OS installation, we required one server. We will do some configuration. We required some ISO files. Then we will connect our server to a switch. After that, you will connect all of your endpoints to that switch. And then you will be able to install any OS in the network. In this video series, I will show you how can you deploy any OS in the network. In this video, we will learn how to install Linux Mint OS over network. Here I have mentioned 12 steps. We will follow these steps one by one and complete this installation. The first step is we will download Serva application, Linux Mint ISO file, init.gz file and server asset.inf file. Here you can see I have already downloaded these files. Step number 1 is completed. Step number 2, we will set a static IP on our main system. I am using 10.1.1.1. Step number 2 is completed. Step number 3, we will disable the firewall of our system and antivirus as well. Step number 3 is completed. Step number 4, we will create a root directory in D drive. We will go to the D drive and create a directory here and set the name root. Step number 4 is completed. Step number 5, we will open Serva software and configure it. We will extract this file and we will start serva64.exe. Click on top left icon, go to settings, TFTP, select TFTP server, bind this server, click on browse to select the root directory, go to this PC, go to D drive and select this root drive, click on select. Now go to DHCP, select DHCP server, click on BINL, bind this server and here we will assign the pool address 10.1.1.2 and here we will type 10. Subnet mask 255.0.0.0, router domain name and domain server name. We will use 10.1.1.1. Click on OK and close this application. We will start this application again. Here you will see it created couple of files and folder in that root directory. This step is also completed. Next step, we will share this directory. This is the directory. Right click, properties, sharing, advanced sharing, share this folder and we will change the name here. Click on OK and close. Step number 6 is completed. Step number 7, we will create a folder in RS directory with the name Linux Mint. We will go to this directory, D drive, root, PXE and here we will create the directory Linux Mint. Step number 7 is completed. Now we will extract Linux Mint ISO file to that Linux Mint folder. So here we have the ISO file. Right click, extract files, D drive, root, PXE and Linux Mint. Click on OK. We have completed step number 8. Step number 9, we will copy server asset.inf and .gz file to Linux Mint folder. These are the files. We will copy these files and paste here. Step number 9 is completed. Step number 10, we will create a user with the name Serva and set this password. We will use this command to create the user. Step number 10 is completed. Step number 11, we will start the Serva application and try to install this OS. I am using VMware to install this OS. So I will create a machine and try to boot from network. As you can see, we got this boot menu. We will press enter here and this server is booting from network. From this icon, we will install the OS. We will select these options as per our requirement and perform this installation. You can see we have successfully installed Linux Mint OS. The version is 22.2. So this is quite simple process. If you will follow these steps one by one, you will be able to install this OS via PXE. If you like this video, so please subscribe the channel and share the video. Thank you so much.